Here's how to check and remove apps that are linked to your Amazon account. Open your browser and go to Amazon.com. Sign in with your Amazon credentials. At the top right, hover over Account and Lists. Then click Account to open your full account dashboard. Scroll down the page and click Apps and More, or Manage Your Apps, depending on your region. Here, you'll see all apps, websites, services, and devices that have been granted access to your Amazon account. You'll see a list of connected apps such as Amazon Alexa, Kindle services, third-party shopping apps, fitness devices, and games. Click any app to view what permissions it has. For example, purchasing ability, digital content access, or account data. To unlink an app, click Revoke Access, disable or deregister, depending on what the option shows. Confirm your choice. This immediately removes the app's access to your account and prevents future charges or data sharing. For added safety, return to your account dashboard and open login and security. Change your password if needed, and ensure two-step verification is turned on, so unauthorized apps can't reconnect. If you've used Amazon to sign in on third-party websites, you can also check your payments, merchant agreements, cancel any apps or websites that still have billing access. That's it. You've now reviewed and removed all linked apps from your Amazon account.